A very good evening to all. On behalf of NISM, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you all for the today's webinar on do's and don'ts of investing. Myself, Ami Sayed, working with NISM. Along with me, we have today's well-known speaker from the industry. She is Ms. Shweta Kama. She's a director of an NGO named as Spirit to Help Welfare Organization and director of a company, Corporate Education and Operations. Before we begin, let me allow to give a quick introduction of our speaker. Ms. Kama holds 20 plus year of training experience in BFSI industry. She is associated as a trainer with SEBI, NISM, NSC, BSC, CDSL, NCDX, PFRD, and various AMCs, various brokerage houses. She has done equity data analytics from IIM Kashipur, MicroMaster from IIM Bangalore. She's also a CFP trainer and done social psychology from Wesleyan University. Now, I would like to highlight today's webinar topics, so that we will be on the same space to understand what we are going to learn in today's webinar. So today, our speaker is going to discuss what are the measures we should look after before investing, what are the precautions we should take before doing any investment in anything. So before we start, I just want to request everybody to post their questions in Q&A chat only. Our speaker will be happy to answer all your questions, and at the end of the session, we'll be taking all the questions. So without taking any further time, I would like to hand over the webinar to our speaker. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Amir. Good evening, all of you. I hope all of you are comfortable with English. And if somebody is not comfortable with English, they can type in the chat box. I'll narrate it in English. I'll speak in Hindi. I'll go ahead with both the languages. But at the end of the day, you must understand the do's and don'ts of investing. Fine. Let me share the screen for all of you. Little bit Hindi. Abhishek, perfectly fine. So I'll speak. So all of you, I'll speak in Hindi. I'll speak in English. The same thing will be repeated in English. Same thing will be repeated in Hindi. Need not to worry on that. Fine. Yes, I'll use both. Need not to worry. So do's and don'ts of investing. You know, nowadays, आज के time में ना, everybody wants to invest, which is not at all a bad thing. But the problem is everybody wants to become quick rich with investing. That is actually a trouble. So nowadays everybody wants to invest, but everybody wants to become very quick rich. That's not possible in a go. Aman Akhtar, I'll be speaking the same thing in English, same thing in Hindi. Need not to worry. These are the few news clips which I have taken for you. Trend in cybercrime: 32 crore loss to fake trading apps in Mysore. Accused of duping 1,000 investor crore. Mumbai police issue LOC against CA Amber Dalal. How color prediction apps are scamming user across the India. Now, ये ना कुछ न्यूज है जो साइबर क्राइम से रिलेटेड है. एक इंसान है जिसने लोगों को डब कर दिया. ये हजार इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, कुछ 1200 करोड़ का स्कैम है. And there is a color trading also. You know what is color trading? Even I heard it. I got shocked. And 4 days back, my office boy was coming through a rider. That rider lost 3 lakh rupees in this color prediction trading. So there's an app where randomly the color will flick and you bet on that which color comes and then you earn the money. तो उस ऐप में क्या होता है, एक ऐप है उसमें वो कलर्स फ्लैश होते हैं. तो they want you to predict the next color. अब initially as they want you to actually do all this, they will actually give you the color which you predicted. So initially you will win and later on you keep on losing. So the first mantra, the first thing, I request all of you to keep your pen and paper ready and write it down. Pehli cheez, color trading, anything which is not regularized, and all those that Dream 11 and that sort of stuff, that's not an investment, that's gambling. Stay away from that. Another thing, if somebody is promising you unexpected return, please don't. कोई भी आपको बंदा कहता है ना, मैं आपको 5% हर महीने का दूंगा, मैं आपके पैसे डबल कर दूंगी, उसको बोलो भाई तू घर जाके खुद के पैसे डबल कर, मुझे नहीं करना है. Look, if the financial markets would have doubled the money like this only, then मैं भी घर बैठ के and Amir also you should have, Amir भी घर पे बैठ के पैसे डबल कर रहा था. Fine, we were not working. We should have done doubling the money. Abhishek, when it comes to promoting the Dream 11, even lot many film star say Zuba Kesari also. On social media, they say sugar is bad. On the Kapil Sharma show, and then they promote Maza also. Look, at the end of the day, they are earning money out of it. So it is your understanding whether if I'm saying as a celebrity to you, Juba Kesari, eating tobacco is good and bad for you. That's your choice. Fine. So, and this person, ये जो आपको यहाँ साइड में न्यूज आ रहा है, that accused duping the 1,000 investor, this person actually promised people some particular percentage of return every month. In fact, if I'm not wrong, Anu Kapoor, the anchor who used to come in Antakshari and is a TV artist also, is a film artist also. Ayushmann Khurrana का विकी डोनर में जो डॉक्टर बनते हैं, that Anu Kapoor, even he have burned his hand in this scam. So, simple rule of life, don't go to the apps. Good evening. Don't go to the apps. Don't get lured with the people who are offering you 2%, 3%, 4% return. Please don't. Don't blindly follow the social media. There is good lot of things which is said on social media. Look, एक सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल है, पहले मैं हिंदी बोलूंगी फिर इंग्लिश बोलेंगे. अब मेरे ना कंधे में दर्द है काफी दिनों से. अब ये लेफ्ट हैंड के शोल्डर में पेन है, अब ये हार्ट की वजह से है, सर्वाइकल की वजह से है, या मेरे को फ्रोजन शोल्डर हो गया है. दिस कैन बी डायग्नोस्ड ओनली बाय डॉक्टर. बाय मेयरली डूइंग द गूगल, आई कांट गेट Tamil money, I'll be speaking in Hindi and I'll be speaking in English both, because there are people who are not able to understand English well. So hold on your patience. I'll be narrating everything in both the languages. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. So never get lured by the unpredictable returns. And if somebody say I'm earning, stay to him, you earn. भाई तू ही रख, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Never go with the markets. Siddesh, I'll be speaking in Hindi and English both. जो regularize नहीं है, वहां पे नहीं करना है. तो Shrishti, when it comes to Shrishti, I have a question that there are apps who suggest shares. So you need to check, because the people who are suggesting the shares, they need to be a SEBI research analyst, registered SEBI research analyst. If they are not, fine, you can actually give a complaint to SEBI's website, SEBI Scores website. Fine. And हिंदी बोल रही हूँ फिर इंग्लिश बोलूंगी. हिंदी में बोलते हैं लाभ और हिंदी में बोलते हैं लोभ. तो लाभ और लोभ में ओ की मात्रा का अंतर होता है. In Hindi we say लाभ, that means gain. In English we say greed. Fine. So till the time you seek लाभ, it is शुभ लाभ. Fine. And the moment you seek लोभ, ठीक है, तो वो ओ की मात्रा से ओ करके सब निकाल के ले जाता है. The problem, the biggest bone of contention is everybody wants to become quick rich. No, there's a great saying that धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ होए, माली सींचे 100 घड़ा, ऋतु आए फल हो. That means in English that if I've sown a tree, a plant, it will grow as a tree with the own passage of time. If I water it, it will not grow as a tree. So please remember this tagline. In Hindi, लोभ और लाभ में ओ की मात्रा का अंतर होता है. And in English, it is greed and it is gain. Always seek for gain. हमेशा लाभ सोचिए. तो हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं शुभ लाभ. Now, what is investing? Fine. So what is investing? I don't keep my money idle. I keep my money into the investment products like stocks, either direct stocks, either to mutual funds, either to bonds. So these are financial assets. So on the basis of touch and feel, we have financial assets. On the basis of claim, financial asset and physical asset. Physical asset, I can touch and feel. So my property is my physical asset. My gold, which I wear, is a physical asset. But when I talk about paper asset, that is shares, mutual funds, FD, post office schemes, they are the product where I'm investing and which is generating a return. तो investing क्या होता है? ऐसी जगह पैसा लगाना जहां पे आपको कुछ रिटर्न आ रहा है, फाइन, उसमें कुछ रिटर्न आ रहा है और आप उस निवेश को कर रहे हैं. फिजिकल एसेट जिसे आप टच फील कर सकते हैं. धार्मिक, एल्गो ट्रेड, देखो जहां ट्रेड आ जाता है, that is not an investment. So please write down in your notes. If you're writing and if you're listening, keep it in your mind. Futures and options of markets, derivative trade, algo trade is not an investment. हिंदी में बोलती हूँ, देखो सोना सुनार ना सोना खरीद के उसका व्यापार करता है, ठीक है. So goldsmith buy the gold and do the trading. But when I buy a gold, I'm doing an investment. So when you buy a share or a mutual funds to achieve a particular financial goal, that means you are investing. So money comes with investing. Anybody who wants to get into trading, it's a full-fledged job and it's a full-time job. Quick money aspect nahi hai. Quick money aspects nahi hai. Fine. So you have to understand that. Just आगे करते. Skill. Okay. The way you earn is your earning skill. जैसे आप कमाते हो वो आपकी earning skill है. The way you manage your money, जो कमा रहे हो उसको कैसे manage करते हो, that is your money management skill. The money which you are being saving, which you invest for your future goal, is investing skill. Where you multifold your wealth. So now whatever I have right now, जो मेरे पास अब है, उसको मैं कैसे कमाने पे लगाऊंगी, how I'll make that money work for me, that's wealth management. And एक age के बाद, after a particular age, मुझे risk नहीं लेना है. I just want to preserve. Now I'm older and I have sufficient money. मेरे पास sufficient है, मैं उस पे ज्यादा risk नहीं लेना चाहती. That's preservation. Fine. And you know, all these skills are different. Many of you are sitting who are doctor, lawyer, engineer. So in that very case, that is your earning skill. Where you manage is your money management. जो सारा जो गड़बड़ झाला है, स्यापा जिसे कहते हैं, or the troublesome stuff is money management skill only. Fine. So very first thing, when it comes to money management, the do's and don'ts. You know the rule. What is the rule with money? The rule of money is 1. Write it down. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 2. Whatsoever all of you earn, 10% should go for retirement. Fine. Then rest 20% should go for the other financial goals. So if I talk about my financial goal, I have a little daughter. She's 10.5. I want the money for her education, for her graduation, post-graduation, then her wedding. तो मेरी 10 साल की डॉटर है. मेरा फाइनेंशियल गोल उसकी एजुकेशन है, उसकी शादी है. फाइन. सो 10% फॉर योरसेल्फ. I call it as self-tax. Retirement को मैं self-tax कहती हूँ. And please plan for retirement because the cost of delay cost a big amount. Now, then for your other financial goals, so lot many people who might be sitting, there are 244 people who are sitting. Ma'am, 30% is too much. Arey, chill. You start with 5%. You start with 2%. At least you should start investing and have a goal-based investment. So first the first thing is that you have to start investing with the goal-based investment. Randomly नहीं invest करना है. So if I'm investing for my retirement, so बचपन में कहते थे ना गुल्लक, so गुल्लक is piggy bank. So the first piggy as an investment I should have is emergency fund. Fine. The amount should be 6 to 10 months of your monthly salary, which you should park in FD or liquid mutual funds. Then your 10% of your money should go for your retirement and then for other financial goals. So keep every financial goal aligned with the particular asset where you are investing. तो हर फाइनेंशियल गोल के अगेंस्ट एक एसेट या दो एसेट है और उसको उससे अलाइन रखिए, ताकि मेंटली आप प्रिपेयर्ड हो कि आपका पैसा यहाँ इस चीज के लिए रखा है. सो दैट वी आर मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड दैट माय मनी, दिस A piggy bank is for my retirement, this B piggy bank is for my kids education, this C piggy bank is for my vacation. Now if I want to go for the vacation, I need to redeem this C piggy bank. अगर मैं वेकेशन पे जाना चाहती हूँ तो मैं सी वाले पिगी बैंक को करूंगी. सो you need to align. So keep a pen paper, write down your financial goal, bifurcate them on time. फाइनेंशियल गोल को लिखो, उन्हें बाइफरकेट करो, बाइफरकेट करके लिखो. सो इन दैट वेरी केस यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कौन सा अभी चाहिए पैसा, कौन सा बाद में चाहिए. व्हाट मनी यू रिक्वायर इन कमिंग अ ईयर, नेक्स्ट 5 year or 5 year longer. And please understand, don't do DIY. DIY is not do it yourself. DIY become distract it yourself if you are not a professional. Take a help of a registered investment advisor who is registered with SEBI. SEBI से registered investment advisor से मदद लीजिए. You can have mutual fund distributor in your life who can help you to investing in mutual funds. You can have financial planners, fine certified financial planners, and you need to check their authenticity by checking their name. And when one more thing, any person who's a SEBI registered broker, SEBI registered intermediary for mutual fund or registered investment advisor, वो SEBI के registered intermediary है, SEBI का registered mutual funds है. Somebody is saying they are not able to see the screen. I'm resharing it. So if a person is SEBI registered, that person will never ask money in cash. He or she will never ask money in his or her own account. अगर वो SEBI registered intermediary है, genuine व्यक्ति है, वो कभी भी आपको ये नहीं कहेगा भाई साहब बहन जी मेरे अकाउंट में पैसे डाल दो, मैं आपको उस पर रिटर्न जनरेट करके दूंगा. Don't do that. If you're investing in mutual fund, the money will go to that mutual fund scheme only. If you're buying a share, the money will go in your account, in your broker, in your account, and from there you'll be buying. Never give money to the person who said, I'll generate return for you. Please understand. So, very first thing of do's and don'ts with money is managing your money. Create a budget. Spend less than you make. तो हम हिंदी में कहते हैं ना तैते पाव पसारिए जैते लंबी सोर. That means we really need to stay in our means. Save also. Invest wisely. Pay your bills on time. Don't ignore your finances. Spending more than your limit is actually a curse. So listen, we say compounding is the 8th wonder. Compounding is wonder when you're earning. Compounding is blunder when you're paying. कंपाउंडिंग को दुनिया का 8वां अजूबा कहा जाता है. हिंदी में बोलते हैं चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज, ब्याज पे ब्याज. 100 रुपए है, 100 पे 10% मिला तो 110 हुआ. अब अगली बार ब्याज मिलेगा 110 पे. चलो जी, ये तो मैं कमा रही हूँ. अब सोचो मैंने लोन लिया है, अब मैंने लोन चुकाया नहीं, 100 पे 10 रुपए का ब्याज 110 हो गया. अब मेरा प्रिंसिपल आउटस्टैंडिंग कितना, 110. अब मुझे वो ब्याज वाला लगाएगा 110 पे 10%, 11 रुपए. सो कंपाउंडिंग इज वंडर when you earn it. Compounding is blunder when you pay for it. When you're buying something impulsively, stop, pause yourself. If it is an online basket, keep the product in your basket and leave it for an hour or so and then take a sensible decision. मैं कंजूस होने को नहीं कहती हूँ. मेरा एक टैगलाइन है मेरा, डोंट बी अ मनी माइजर, बी अ मनी वाइजर. You need to be wise with your money. You need to have a balance of living in today, investing for tomorrow. हमें आज में भी जीना है और कल का भी सोचना है. If dying too early is a risk, living too long without money is the worst nightmare. You really need to have money at every point of time. Fine. Going ahead further, don'ts of investing in financial assets. So when I talk about financial asset class, the first pointer which I've taken is don't get influenced by social media, self-proclaimed financial influencers. Fine. Don't get lured by them. I'm not saying that teaching wrong, but you don't know what they are teaching is exactly right or not. So don't get influenced. So in this context, SEBI have actually taken good steps. SEBI have banned a fin influencer, BAP of chart, and they have penalized him with 7 crore. तो एक बाप ऑफ चार्ट करके बंदा था जो म्यूचुअल शेयर्स के बारे में बताता था और उसको सेबी ने धर पकड़ा और ने 7 करोड़ रुपए का पेनल्टी लगाया और कुछ भी उसको सजा दी. So there are good lot of people who are in fact बहुत से लोग ऐसे भी हैं who are fin influencer and back end they are running their own advisories where you are getting advice from them. Check the authenticity. Don't buy financial courses. There are many financial courses which are running hunky dory in this markets. Fine, but you can learn it from the authorized sources. We have NCFE. It's a financial education website initiative of SEBI where you have a complete free program. We have NSE, we have BSE, and in fact SEBI ka we have a Sarthi app. S Sarthi. आप प्ले स्टोर पे जाएंगे, you will get the app. Don't get lured by Telegram tips. Don't do any cash transaction. Don't deal with unauthorized person. Look, even the digital frauds. यहाँ पे I'll take an aspect of digital fraud. Somebody said वो बिजली का बिल भर रहे थे, उनके साथ कुछ fraud हुआ. Always check on. एक छोटा सा टिप आपको दूं. Always delete your internet history. Always delete your internet history. If you are opening a bank website, type the complete address. So let's say it is www.icicibank.com. I'm not promoting ICICI, just giving you an example. icicibank.com. You type it by your own. Don't take it from the cache or the memory. Once you have finished using your bank website, shut that tab. बैंक वेबसाइट आप अपना पूरा एड्रेस टाइप करें फिर खोलें. And so do with other websites also. Have those softwares which protect you from malware and everything. That's very important. Fine. And again come to banking. Do's and don'ts of usage में भी एक बात और करूंगी. So I have my debit card, you have your credit cards. There's a tap transaction in the card. So Ramnesh, NCFE is a, just wait, I'll show it to you. NCFE. So it's a National Center of Financial Education. And all these entities. So it's an entity which is running financial education programs across online, offline, everywhere. You can refer this website. You can download Sarthi's app that works. Amir have already posted the link, ncfe.org. Fine. Okay. Now, I was coming on, don't buy courses. Don't buy randomly any course which is running, which they are claiming people have done well. because nobody is checking that whether the person who's saying that, oh, I got benefited from this person, is true or not. When it comes to investing the money for the beginners, fine. Okay, sir, previous slide. Just wait. This one. This one. एक कहावत होती है हिंदी में, कर सुनो सबकी, करो अपने मन की. Listen to everyone and do what you feel right for it. Now, in this case, I always say, do what you feel right for you by taking the advisory. And somebody was asking how I can check the name. So you can check the name. Maybe Amir, you can share the link in the chat box where they can check the name of MFD and all that. कौन सा स्लाइड चाहिए डियर आपको? ये वाला, स्किल नीडेड विद द मनी, डूज एंड डोंट्स ऑफ द मनी, don't invest in the financial asset class. So first financial asset class where a person invests is bank FD, post office schemes. These are the fixed income instruments. So coming back again to bank, I was explaining that on the card we have a tap transaction. टैप ट्रांजेक्शन डोंट रिक्वायर पासवर्ड. टैप में क्या होता है, आप 5,000 तक का टैप कर सकते हो, आपको पासवर्ड की जरूरत नहीं होती है. गो टू द वेबसाइट ऑफ योर बैंक अकाउंट, click on manage the card and stop that tap transaction. Make sure you swipe the card, you enter the pin, then only the card happen, because nowadays you see you're having the card in your pocket and through the scanner the person have used it, आपको पता भी नहीं चला. So in that very case, stop the tap transaction both on credit card and debit card by going on to the segment of managing card. Manage card में आप जाएंगे ना, Abhishek, they don't beat inflation, but people do invest. Fine. We are not getting into who invest or not. We are simply talking about do's and don'ts. Now, stop the tap transaction. And one more thing to stop is, if you are not traveling abroad, stop the international transactions. So again, in managing the card, you have an option where you can pause the international transaction. Fine. You can pause the international transaction. Fine. So pause the international transaction. That's very, I have an internet glitch. That's why I'm giving a pause to my camera. So pause all the, and in fact, you can set up the limit. You can set up the limit of your card, that how much cash can be withdrawn for that card and how much it can be used. So please do that, because the first fraud which happens is bank. Don't share your OTP. In fact, when you get a message from a bank or a call that your debit card is freeze or your bank account is frozen, please call the call center of the bank and check it. And one more tip to all of you, keep your helpline number of bank in your phone book. अपने फोन बुक में बैंक का हेल्पलाइन नंबर, अपने मोबाइल में मोबाइल का ऐप, इनको handy रखिए. Fine. The first fraud which happens is this. Now going ahead, if you're investing into the equity market, and I'm assuming you're investing directly into the equity market, and when I say investing, it is investing. You're not trading, buying the share in the morning, selling the share in the afternoon. No, investing. So when you're investing, जब आप निवेश कर रहे हो, तो देखो मैं मारवाड़ी हूँ, हम कहते हैं धंधा अच्छा चल रहा है तो ले लो. तो अब धंधा अच्छा चल रहा है तो धंधे को समझना पड़ेगा. I hail from Rajasthan, I'm a Marwadi, and we simply say if the business is running good, then invest. So you need to do the research. You need to do the research, proper research. So when it comes to stock market, it is fundamental analysis, it is technical analysis, which is required. Or we have SEBI registered research analysts. You can again check the name on SEBI's website where you can see the list of the research analysts. Start small. Initially start small. First get disciplined with your money. And please remember, everybody have its own financial journey. Even I have my own financial journey. The person who comes on YouTube and claim 10 lakh से 10 करोड़ हो गए, from 10 lakh that person have turned to 10 cr. Don't get lured by that. Look, when it comes to money, I call it as vitamin M. It gives you mental stability, it gives you emotional stability, it gives you a power to take the firm decision. पैसे को मैं विटामिन एम बोलती हूँ. विटामिन एम आपको पूरा स्टेबिलिटी देता है. स्टेबिलिटी कैसे? इमोशनली, मेंटली, फिजिकली. Fine. So it's very important that there are lot many psychological aspects which are linked to our investments. And bifurcate your goal. When you're investing, bifurcate them in 3 baskets: short term, medium term, long term. The money which you require within 1 year, ऐसा पैसा जो आपको साल भर के अंदर चाहिए, उस पे अपने को रिस्क नहीं लेना है. फाइन. उसमें अपने को रिस्क नहीं लेना है. You can invest in FD, you can invest in RD, you can invest in liquid mutual funds. Liquid mutual funds are those funds which invest in the bonds which have a maturity of 91 days. Liquid mutual funds ऐसे bonds में invest करते हैं जिनकी maturity 91 days की ही होती है. And they have a insta redemption facility. The money which you require from 1 to 5 year, then you can have a mix of both. There are multi-asset allocation mutual funds also. There are hybrid mutual funds which invest in equity and debt. The goals which are 5 year away, there you can have equity mutual funds or direct equity. Direct equity only when you have an expertise and knowledge to understand what to buy, what not to buy. Don't get catch up with the story. अरे राकेश झुनझुनवाला साहब ने तो टाइटन 7 रुपए में खरीदा था. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala bought the share in Titan at 7 rupees. So mind it, at that point of time, the Indian economy was a close-ended economy and the markets were completely different. उस समय हमारा बाजार भी अलग था और हमारी इकोनॉमी भी अलग थी. Don't get lured with भाव पे. भाव का कौन चाहिए, how much is required to be in how much, that goes person to person. There was a question in the chat box कि मैम मैं 70% पैसे का क्या करूं? So sir, we bifurcate that 70% amount. So the rule was 1,2,5,2. 10% for your retirement, 20% for your financial goal, 50% for your need, and 20% for your want. You need to build up your folio and look for the longer term vision. You need to stay alerted with the changes, and you need to be consistent. When I say consistent, that you're consistently investing. Can you repeat once more? Okay, perfectly fine. I'll repeat once more. The Prakash, the rule is 1, 2, 5, 2. 10% for your retirement, 20% for your other financial goal, 50% for your need, and 20% for your want. I'll give you 5S, 5.5S. Select. Today, all of you selected will be financially smart, will be investing. You start investing, that is start. Select start. Schedule. You schedule at what point of time you'll be investing. Surrounding. You meet like-minded people or you do the good regularized courses. You can check the website of NSC, BSc, NISM for the programs. Fine. And select, start, schedule, surrounding, stay on. देखो, एक अल्फाबेट हम सीखते थे ना, A for apple, B for boy, C for cat, D for dog. Fine. My alphabet is B for birth, D for death, C is cash. Fine. So from the birth to the death, money is needed. So this is a life skill. So you have to go ahead with the life skill. Don't get lured with telegrams. Don't get lured with YouTube or Instagram channels where a person says, "Ab to market gaya samjho," and he's talking no sense. Fine. The young kids, I'll not again questioning to their knowledge because I don't know their education qualification. But if the way they are selling the thing, don't get into that breaking news. And one more thing. Even before I was born, this markets, these investments were there. Even after my death, all these things will be here. So there is no breaking news for you and me. When you start, that's the right time for you. Don't treat your investments as gambling. Oh, I bought a share at 100. Now it became 200 or 150. Let's sell it. And now if it is very easy, 100 का 200 हो गया, मैं तो रोज बनाऊंगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Fine. When you are investing, it should be long term. Don't indulge into speculative trades. Speculative trades is derivative, futures and options. Don't get the tips. Don't have unrealistic expectations. The trader is doing the business in the equity market, in the commodity markets, in the currency market. As an investor, either if I have a knowledge, I'll invest directly into equity, or else I'll go by mutual funds. Invest systematically as per your financial condition. Don't take the loan and invest. Don't take the money from your family, friends, and other people and invest. Risk hai to ishq hai. A tagline is there. But to fall in love with the risk, you need to understand the risk. Amir said that I have done the psychology, basics of psychology. I'm currently pursuing my master's in psychology. And why I'm doing it? Because the psychology makes us do all the decisions. So don't go ahead with the emotional decision. Pause. Pause and then think and then take the decisions. If you're buying a stock, do the complete research. Look for the qualitative stocks. Don't go with the quantity. Array, in 10,000 rupees, I'll get 10,000 shares. No, might be that company shut. Fine. Then what you will do? फिर आप कहोगे शेयर बाजार तो बुरा है. So, Varsha, when it comes to the wealth creation happens in longer term time. And why wealth creation happens in longer term time? If the day Jamshedji Tata have started up with the business, he never thought that this big empire of Tata Group will be there. But the business was growing steadily and strong. Okay, let's go back to recent example of Mr. Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. When Dhirubhai Ambani was a big visionary. Fine. When he passed away, the businesses were bifurcated with Mukesh Ambani Sahab and Anil Ambani Sahab. Now, see the difference. Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. I'm not promoting any of the shares. I'm just taking the example to make you understand that by buying a share, you're buying a business. And when I'm buying a business will give the generation of return consistently for the longer period of time. The power of compounding will prevail when you stay longer into the markets. If you want to trade, trading is a skill. Trading is a skill. हाँ, तो अंकित ऑप्शन ट्रेड नहीं करना है ना. एक सिंपल सा चीज है. ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग इज अ बिग ड्रैगन. हैव यू प्लेड मारियो? मारियो में स्टेज 1, स्टेज 2, स्टेज 3, उसके बाद ड्रैगन आता था. ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग इज लाइक अ ड्रैगन. Mario is not crossing stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. He's simply sitting in front of the dragon and now sitting. Array, now I'll get profit. I'll kill the dragon. Oh, I have 3 life. That 3 life is also gone. That the money is gone. Please understand. कोई भी चीज आपको क्विक मनी नहीं दे सकती. Manoj sir, the safest return is the government guaranteed return. Rest, when it comes to mutual funds and equity markets, the returns are subject to market risk. And please understand why it is subject to market risk. If I'm running a shop, let's say I'm a vegetable vendor, I can't guarantee you every day my sale will be 2,000. Sometime it will be 1,800, sometime it will be 2,500, sometime it will be 2,000. When a small veggie vendor can't actually define up the sale and profit on regular basis, how can these big giant will do? So when you're buying a share, you're investing in a company, and the company is having the longer vision. The more you stay with the company, the more the money grow. Let's just imagine somebody who have bought the IPO shares of the big giants. So any big giant company, IPO is initial public offer. When a first time company offers the share to common public, that is known as IPO. The big giants of today's our country is, कभी तो पास में IPO आया होगा ना, तो जो stay invested रहे वही कमा पाए. Even if you talk about Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or ace investors like Radhakishan Damani or anyone, they are investors. When you're buying anything, whether it is mutual funds, you're buying an insurance, you're buying a share, you need to read the offer document carefully. When you're buying into the security markets, the cycle is T+1, trade +1. You trade today, you get a share tomorrow, or you get a money tomorrow. In shares, you get the power of attorney. You can read that power of attorney, what they are going ahead with. When you buy the share, then in that very case, you get a contract note at the end of the day. Make sure the shares which you are buying are getting delivered to your account. Make sure you don't play, your broker don't play. So it's practically not possible, but still check it. When it comes to DMAT, the way we have a checkbook, जैसे हमारे पास checkbook होती है, वैसे DMAT slips होती है. Don't sign the DMAT slip and deposit it to your broker. Nowadays, we generally have online stuff. Regularly verify your balances in your DMAT account, the number of shares, and overall what all you holding. SMS, email alerts. Make sure you don't click any unauthorized links. Don't trust any unsolicited promising returns. There are SEBI registered intermediaries who will be guiding you, but again, even they will not guarantee the return. Manoj, when it comes to investing a mutual fund, let's say I'm investing for the mutual fund for my retirement. I'm currently 44 and I want to retire at 65. I'm still 44 to 65, 21 years away from my retirement. I'll be investing in equity mutual fund till the age of 58. And from there, I will do the shift of my asset allocation from a higher volatile asset class to a less volatile asset class. So मान लीजिए मेरी जो उम्र है 44 है, 44 से 58 की उम्र तक मैंने अपनी रिटायरमेंट के लिए निवेश किया, और मैंने 58 से मेरे सारे इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड और शेयर बाजार से पैसे थे, वो धीरे धीरे बॉन्ड और ब्याज वाले म्यूचुअल फंड्स में डालने शुरू कर दिए. क्यों? क्योंकि जब मैं रिटायर हूं उस समय कोविड जैसी कोई सिचुएशन आ गई तो पैसे नीचे गिर जाएंगे. सो दिस शफलिंग ऑफ एसेट एलोकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी डन बाय एन एक्सपर्ट. So when to redeem a mutual fund or how long to invest in a mutual fund depends upon that on what financial goal you are investing. Have a PVR strategy in your life. जैसे PVR में पिक्चर देखने जाते हो ना, preview, view and review. Preview when you analyze, view when you buy, and review. Review with a financial planner. I'll personally guide you out. Preview आप उसे समझते हो, देखते हो. Review जब आप उसे खरीद लेते हो. प्रीव्यू इज जब आप उसे समझते हो, व्यू जब आप उसे खरीद लेते हो. रिव्यू उसको मतलब खरीदा और भूल गया वाला कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है लाइफ में. यू नीड टू हैव अ रिव्यू. ऑलवेज डू द पेमेंट्स बाय चेक और ऑनलाइन. कीप चेंजिंग योर पासवर्ड्स एंड हैव पासवर्ड्स which have signs like hash, @ fine. Sandeep, I have a question that what happened to Sandeep. Let's say I'll talk about myself. In 2000, I'm investing for my retirement, and there was a crash happened in 2008. But my financial goal is far, so I am not worried about it. तो उनका कहना है कि 2008 के सब प्राइम क्राइसिस में क्या हुआ है, उसके बाद तो कोविड भी आ गया. उसी के लिए तो बोला, इंग्लिश में भी बोलूंगी, आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. उसी के लिए बोला कि आपके फाइनेंशियल गोल से 3 या 4 साल पहले जो हायर और्थापटक वाला वॉलेटिलिटी वाला स्टॉक है या म्यूचुअल फंड है, उससे निकल के डेट या ब्याज वाले म्यूचुअल फंड में, डेट वाले म्यूचुअल फंड में चले जाओ. सो द क्वेश्चन इज that what happened to the money with is when it was 2008 ka scam, when it was covid crisis. So for that I said the asset allocation need to be shifted prior achieving your financial goal. Don't blindly follow any advertisement or media reports, because authenticity on WhatsApp or on this Insta is actually questionable. Keep changing your passwords. Don't keep it predictable. And more you learn, the more you earn. The soft skills are required. Hard skills are required. Hard skill is learning about the markets. Industry knowledge is required if you're investing in a particular company. You need to have a mindset. I have a question with all of you. There are 240 people who are sitting in this class. Just tell me one thing. How many you have inherited the shares or mutual funds from your parents or from your grandfather? Have any one of you have inherited shares or mutual funds from their grandparents or parents? Only one, Prakash, and one more, 3. So might be 10 people are there out from the herd of 240. You know, every asset class, when it pass on from one generation to another, it pass on the knowledge also. So all of you are psychologically understanding this asset class. Fine. Cryptocurrency, somebody have asked the question, as simple as that. Something which is not registered, not advisable. Somebody have asked about ETF. If a time allow, I'll explain the ETF. If you have any complaint regarding the company, exchange, you can go to SEBI's website. SEBI का complaint का website है SEBI complaint redressal system. That is an investor service friendly website. You can go to their mobile app, create a login ID and complain. Fine. Then we have SEBI's investor website. These are the toll-free number. These email IDs for investors assistant, and rest. You want to have a detail where all SEBI offices are there. These are the links, and all things are taken from their website only. You have online CDSL and NSDL. Those who are, they are depositories. They are the intermediaries who keep the demat account aspect. So CDSL, NSDL का भी ग्रीवियंस डिपार्टमेंट है. वहां पे भी आपको लगता है कि आपको हमने शेयर खरीदे, कुछ गड़बड़ झाला हुआ, तो आप वहां भी कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं. Link for your education. So it is Sarthi app. Then it is NCFE ELMS app, where you can actually do the program. Again, I'll repeat that you need to be smarter. You need to get clarity. This market is not making you quick rich. Not any investment will make you quick rich. You need to do your homework properly. You need to have a guidance properly with the financial planner, with the registered intermediary. When it comes to ETF, it is exchange traded fund. It's a mutual fund where you require a trading and a demat account. What is trading account? When you buy a share, the platform which is required is a trading account. So if you want to buy a ETF, you need to have a trading account. The delivery happens in your demat account. तो जब हम शेयर खरीदते हैं, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में खरीदते हैं, उसकी डिलीवरी डीमैट अकाउंट में होती है. ETF, let's say I say Nifty ETF. Nifty is the benchmark of National Stock Exchange. Nifty ETF. The ETF person who's managing the ETF will copy paste Nifty. तो ETF का फंड मैनेजर निफ्टी को कॉपी पेस्ट करेगा. उसके पास उतने ही 50 शेयर होंगे, उतनी ही वेट प्रोपोर्शन में होंगे. Nifty ETF fund manager will copy the Nifty weight performance. As it is doing the copy paste, it is trading into the markets. The returns are generally equal to the markets. And ये एक ही म्यूचुअल फंड है जहां आपको ट्रेडिंग एंड डीमैट अकाउंट की जरूरत है. Fine. With this, I end my session. Be a smart investor. Our country is the 5th largest economy, will be the 3rd largest economy soon. it is not we who are saying it, it's a complete world who is saying by 2030. So let's be a part of growth story of our Bharat and let's start investing. हमारा भारत 5वीं सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था है, आने वाले समय में 3री भी होगा. ये हम नहीं, हमारे साथ पूरा विश्व कह रहा है कि 2030 तक हम 3रे हो जाएंगे. इस ग्रोथ स्टोरी का हिस्सा बनने के लिए निवेश जरूर कीजिए. Over to you, Amir. With this, I end my session. Fine, thank you. आप question answers के लिए. Over to you, Amir.
Yeah, ma'am. There are certain questions I think we already answered. So
Yes.
one of the question is asked by Rohit. What is a cash value account?
So there is, Amir, I have not heard this term cash value account.
Okay.
I'm unable to answer it. Ajay Patel is asking the difference between the gold fund and an ETF.
Right.
अजय जी, मैं इसको हिंदी में जवाब दूंगी, फिर इसको रिपीट भी करूंगी इंग्लिश में. गोल्ड ईटीएफ का फंड मैनेजर गोल्ड को खरीदता बेचता है, ये एक्सचेंज पे लिस्ट होता है, इसका रिटर्न गोल्ड के पैरेलल चलता है. Fine. Gold ETF fund manager deals in physical gold. They are listed onto the exchange, have a real-time NAV. The return of gold ETF is parallel to gold. But when it comes to gold fund, they buy gold ETF and they buy shares of gold-related company. आप गोल्ड फंड में सिप लगा सकते हो, गोल्ड ईटीएफ आपको सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन से खरीदना पड़ेगा. गोल्ड फंड इज मोर लाइक अ थीमेटिक फंड, sectorial thematic fund, which is investing in gold directly into gold ETF, going through gold ETF and gold company ka share. You want to have a return parallel to gold, you should prefer having gold ETF. बहुत से लोग शेयर्स खरीदने में, ETF खरीदने में कंफर्टेबल नहीं होते. In that case, have a sip with gold fund. But gold fund का रिटर्न गोल्ड के पैरेलल नहीं होता है.
Ma'am, Vishal Man is asking, sorry to interruption. He's asking for money ABCD concept.
Okay, Vishal, I said BCD, birth, death. बीच में आता है C, that is for cash. The moment my mom was pregnant with me, she needed money to eat healthy, to have a healthy baby like me. Huh? The day I'll pass away on this earth, my kids will need money to all do the all rent ritual. So this alphabetic is birth, cash, death. Fine. Now there's another question that what is my opinion? So Varun, from the age of 16 to the age of 44, I have seen many ups and downs. There's this financial market. I am bullish to the Indian economy and I am bullish to the markets, but the corrections will be the part and parcel. नहीं सोमनाथ, म्यूचुअल फंड खरीदने के लिए डीमैट नहीं चाहिए होता. डीमैट अकाउंट सिर्फ आपको ईटीएफ खरीदने के लिए चाहिए होता है. Ma'am, first invest of the student. So Ganesh, if you are a student, you must go ahead with the mutual funds. In mutual fund, there is a diversified mutual fund, which is known as multi-cap or large cap. Multi-cap and flexi-cap. These mutual funds invest across the big companies, small companies, and medium-sized companies. So that diversified aspect will be good for you, Ganesh. Fine. Then next. Ma'am, what are some low risk option for the conservative? Mohammed, as you're a low conservative investor, but still you want to have a bit equity exposure, you can have conservative mutual funds or balanced mutual funds where you can have a ratio of 40-60 in equity and mutual funds. अरे महेश, मेरा भी आईपीओ नहीं आता है, मुझे भी नहीं आता है. In this 20 year, I got just one IPO application. So even I don't have any key how to get an IPO. Fine. For a retirement person. Okay, Dhananjay, for retirement people, I'll say there are 3 baskets for retirement people. So मैं हिंदी बोलती, इंग्लिश बोलती, दोनों बोलूंगी. रिटायरमेंट के लिए 3 बास्केट्स होती है. नियर टर्म, नेक्स्ट नियर, नेक्स्ट फार. पहले 5 साल जो आपको पैसा चाहिए, so let's say I retire, I have 10 crore. First 5 years, the money which I require, I'll keep it in the safe baskets. safe investments, PPF, senior citizen scheme, mutual fund, bond, debt mutual funds. Fine. Next 5 year, as the combination of debt and equity I can have. Then next, after 10 years, जो मुझे पैसा चाहिए, there I can have equity. Now I turned 70. Now my second basket will be my first basket. From that far basket, I'll take another 5 years and the balance will be in equity. Again, I'll repeat. Go ahead with an expert. SIP is systematic investment plan. SIP is systematic investment plan. Vishal, you decide every month a particular amount. You tell the particular mutual fund that deduct this amount every month from my account. Fine. Siddesh, I don't advise any app. I'll personally suggest you go with a mutual fund advisor. He or she will guide you that what is right and wrong for you. What's your opinion on your IPO? So when it comes to initial public offer, I'll do the complete homework. Why the company is coming up with the IPO? Why धंधे में दम है या नहीं है? And in all that study, and then I'll go ahead with it. The madness of completely कि अभी एक पीछे IPO आया which have a 2 dealership and got so many money, that is basically greed. Varun, when it comes to current market affair on macroeconomic, that will be a very broader topic to talk on. Mohammed, it is good to apply to an IPO. It's good to apply an IPO if you study it properly and you're lucky enough that you get it. मेरा तो एक भी नहीं आता है. Fine. म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए कहां से? सम पीपल हैव मोर देन 10 अकाउंट. आईपीओ इज गुड. बेस्ट डेट टू स्विप. जब जागो तभी सवेरा. विशाल, preferably I'll say start on one. So let's say you get your salary on first. Have all SIPs on one. Neither it will remain in your pocket, neither you will spend it. Fine. And then, ma'am, I'm an expert in option trading and I study investment. That's really wonderful, Ankit. Madam, assuming you are in your early 20s with all knowledge you have now, what will be your major decision? वरुण, काश ऐसा कुछ होता, टाइम मशीन में वापस 20 साल की हो जाती. But the kind of knowledge if I had it in my 20s, I would have preferred for long-term investings. Is there any retirement fund? Yes, Ajay. In mutual funds, we have retirement funds. They are scheme specific. And Ajay, any other mutual fund, you can have systematic withdrawal. Systematic withdrawal is you give the amount or the units which you want to withdraw. But bacha, when it is retirement and if you are withdrawing the money, you need to have your mutual fund parked in the either in the hybrid scheme, that is debt and equity, or you must take the advice of an expert. Ajay, you are doing SWP and it's an equity mutual funds and the market is going down. अजय ने एक SWP लगाया, सिस्टमैटिक विड्रॉल प्लान, पैसे निकाल रहा है और इक्विटी नीचे जा रहा है तो बंटाधार हो जाएगा. Go for an expert. That's very important. सोमनाथ, आपने जो सवाल पूछा उसका मैंने जवाब दिया था. सारथी ऐप है, NCFE की वेबसाइट है, हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में अवेलेबल है. और एक ET वेल्थ करके न्यूज़पेपर आता है. दैनिक भास्कर का फाइनेंशियल न्यूज़पेपर हिंदी में आता है, आप वो भी पढ़ सकते हैं. छवि, रिगार्डिंग इंटर्नशिप, आई एम नॉट एन राइट आंसर पर्सन टू आस्क. Hoping, would you go back to time where okay. Amir, just check. I've already checked all question and answers. I'll see in the chat box.
Yeah, there are certain questions in your chat bot.
I'll check.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we get the recording of the session? Yes. Can we open mutual fund in the name of minor so that they turn 18 and part will be? Yeah, I'm investing for my daughter. She's minor. My KYC is done. Ma'am, I have a current pursuing him. Malloy, you go ahead. First, after completing your graduation, you do the job. You do the job that will help you to make you understand, and then only you pursue your further CFA or MBA finance. Mutual fund और ETF का difference मैंने आपको बता दिया. Insurance, no, insurance is not at the age of 55. You require term insurance, and at the age of 55, don't go ahead with that. Ma'am, please explain IDCW. Okay. When you buy mutual funds, there are two options, growth and IDCW. IDCW earlier used to be known as dividend. If you don't require regular income, अगर आपको regular income का जरूरत नहीं है, tick on growth. If you require income from a mutual fund, tick on IDCW. IDCW payout, the money will come in your pocket in your bank account. IDCW reinvestment, company will declare the dividend and they will reinvest in your same scheme. रोहित, आप यंग हो assuming, और अगर आप यंग नहीं हो, मिड एज मेरे जितने भी हो, in that very case, don't take on IDC. People used to take dividend because dividend used to be tax free. Now dividend is taxable in your hand. So if you don't require regular income, tick on growth. So insurance at 55, no. Share the recording. Please repeat it. Utpal sir, when it comes to retirement, we call it as a bucket strategy. Bucket strategy में हम क्या करते हैं? पहले 5 साल जो पैसा चाहिए ना, उसको रिस्क बॉन्ड, सीनियर सिटीजन ऐसे जगह पे डालते हैं. अगले 5 साल जो चाहिए वहां हम हाइब्रिड ले लेते हैं, इक्विटी और बॉन्ड वाला. जो 10 साल के बाद रिटायरमेंट में पैसा चाहिए वहां हम इक्विटी फिर से डाल देते हैं, क्योंकि 10 इज ए गुड लॉन्ग टर्म टेन्योर. अब मैं रिटायर हुई 65 पे, अब मैं 70 की हो गई. एट द एज ऑफ 70 आई अगेन रीशफल माई बास्केट इन bucket A, bucket B, bucket C. Thank you. Ma'am, difference in mutual funds. SIP, can we get the recording? Hi, thank you. It is ET Wealth. It comes on Monday to Monday. 8 रुपए का investment है. Sahil asking, he'll get the certification. Mutual fund app should be a SEBI registered. Will we get the recording? Thanks. Insurance, please answer. Prakash sir, when it comes to insurance, insurance is purely covering the risk of dying too early. If you're at the age of 55, your kids are still dependent on you. And in that very case, take a term insurance till the time they are dependent on you. But at the 55, if you don't have any dependency, then don't invest it through insurance. Insurance is purely the covering of risk of dying too early. NFO, Mohammed, when mutual fund company offer first timer scheme to common public is known as new fund offer. And they offer the unit at 10 rupees. They offer the unit for 10 rupees. IDCW is income distribution cum capital withdrawal. Earlier, it was known as dividend. Dividend used to be tax-free in our hand. Now dividend is taxable and it is now known as IDCW. तो प्रकाश, अगर आप 55 के हैं और मैं अज्यूम करूं आपके ऊपर आपके बच्चे अभी आने वाले 10 साल तक डिपेंडेंट और रहेंगे, वो छोटे हैं, then in that very case you require a term insurance for that particular time. Fine. Else you go for a financial planner, he will guide you out. If you don't have any dependent, don't go with insurance, because insurance is the combination of covering the risk of life and investment. Vijay ji, systematic withdrawal plan ये होता है that let's say I retire and I have 10 crore. Now I can't consume 10 crore इकट्ठा. So I give a standing instruction to mutual fund, हर महीने मुझे निकाल के दे दीजिए. That is known as systematic withdrawal plan. Rohit, Sarthi is an app which is given by SEBI. Rest any private apps is running, I'm not aware of. No, Rohit, IDCW is not a good option of reinvestment for long term. उसका reason आपको समझा देती हूँ. When it comes to dividend, the company will declare the dividend. To declare the dividend, mutual fund need to book the profit. So when they book the profit, there is a cost. Then जो dividend आपको आया, आपने उसको reinvest करने को बोला, तो फिर उस पे cost आ जाती है. तो रोहित, वो महंगा अफेयर हो जाता है. If you're a young kid with the longer term vision, you should take on growth. You should take on growth. Yes, sir. Vijay, sir, everything which you withdraw from mutual fund is taxable. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन इक्विटी है तो 1 साल के अंदर 15%, 1 साल या 1 साल के ऊपर 1.25 के ऊपर 10%. So Prakash ji, maybe REIT is not a right topic currently, but REITs is a mutual fund where they invest in the real estates. We have domestic REITs, we have international REITs. Is profit from share is taxable? Mohammed, if you're receiving a dividend from the share, it is taxable in your hand under the head of income from other sources. Vijay ji, taxable hai SWP? Thank you. As long-term capital has 12 point on profit above 1.25 lakh. So SWP is an option to that can work. You need to take the guidance of the expert. Ankit, you can buy pension plan. As I said ना कि आप जो हैं आप जब रिटायर हो तो आपके पास कॉम्बिनेशन में सब कुछ होना चाहिए. फाइन. आमिर, और कोई क्वेश्चन रह गया है?
No, ma'am. Already we have covered all the things along with all the questions.
Fine.
Just a sec.
Thank you. एक क्वेश्चन है एनपीएस. Sir, NPS can be a part of your basket for your retirement, but it should not be the only basket. NPS विश्व की सबसे सस्ती यानी खर्चे के मामले में सबसे सस्ती पेंशन स्कीमों में है. So that can be a part of your folio. Fine, but cannot be the only part of your folio for your retirement. Over to you, Amir.
Done, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time, valuable time, and the valuable inputs you have given to the today's audience. And I hope all the audience have cleared their doubts regarding how to invest, when to invest, what precautionary measure we should take care before investing in anything. And as rightly pointed by you, ma'am, there are certain due diligence needs to be checked before doing investment, and that is our right as well, because nowadays the fraudulent industry is growing up in very farly. But as you rightly said, मेरा पैसा मेरे हाथ में, मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. So I'll just wrap up the today's session by giving a big thanks to you, giving allowing us to listen to you and the very insightful thoughts from the industry as well. And on behalf of NISM, I would like to take a opportunity to thank each and every one of the participants that joined for today's webinar. I hope ma'am has been able to cover all your doubts, and I know she has cleared all the doubts because she has simply explained all the things. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. Appreciated your efforts for the today's session, and we can wind up for the day. Thank you so much. We'll be hoping for the next webinar meeting soon.